Hi all, Phil from Revotek here. Here's a quick video to demonstrate how to typically remove a Viscount caravan window along with a few tips along the way. You'll notice at the top of the window that there are 3 screws and 3 rivets on a window typically of this size. You'll also note that we've also already taped the window up. This is just a safety, a bit of added safety because you are working with glass and you will be pulling on the frames. So there is a risk that that glass will smash or crack if it hasn't already done so. So what you'll see Bob doing here is he's already drilled the rivets out, or is just about to drill the rivets out, as well as removing the flat-headed screws. These need to be taken out in order to remove the window frame. What wasn't shown in this video was Bob had already been inside the caravan and undone the latches or props, as you may call them, so that once it's ready to be removed, it's easy to do so. Now that you've removed the screws and the rivets from the top of the window frame, you're ready to remove the window. Bob's just demonstrating here that it's always good to check to make sure that your window props have been loosened so that they're ready to remove. Next, gently start to pry or lever the top section of the window frame. This is the bit of aluminium that runs across the top of the frame which stops the window opening any further than a certain position. Gently use a screwdriver or a pry bar to help you with this bit. Remember, there is a light aluminium duty frame and glass, so please be careful with this section. Gently lever the window up, moving it side to side to try and break that glue. Now, because this caravan is old, like most of these Viscounts, you'll find that that shouldn't be too difficult with the mastic or the glue used long gone hard. Now gently pull the slides out so that you can remove the caravan from the window. Next, take the window to your bench or to the ground and remove the top screws from the top section of the window so that you can remove the top of the frame. Please be careful here as you will expose the glass, and if it's broken or smashed, you may have glass shards on your bench. This will then allow you to remove the remainder of the glass if it hasn't already been removed, as well as the old brittle seal. As you can see, ours was broken already. We hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions about it or our DIY window kits, please feel free to contact us at Revotek.